Molweni, igama lam ndinguThwelisile Kolweni. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome, 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 and welcome. And if you're my day one, welcome back, my loves. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I really do appreciate all the love and the support that you guys show me. So it's late in the evening. That is the time. Okay, that's my mom. But that is the time. And we are literally preparing to go Islanini. So hairstyle revealed. So this is my hairstyle. I hope you guys can see it. But I'll show you again. Probably, maybe. But what I'm gonna do now, there is load reduction. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna clean. My husband is gonna take a nap or rest a little bit, and I want to put a new glass on my phone because you can see that one is so dirty and it has cracks and stuff. So that's what I want to do. So welcome to the travel vlog. Welcome to the travel vlog. So I wanna show you how the screen looks like, but it's cracked and stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna take this one out and put in a brand new one. You see, I've had this for a while. I've had it for a while since I bought it at Shein. So I'm gonna put a new one, and then I have this. We are going to travel to the Eastern Cape today. Most importantly, I remember when I said we had a Santa at work and I received a voucher. Finally, I was in Mingwile. Yo, I thought that I was not gonna get this on time, but I did. Luckily, I was just checking on my thingy. Yeah, that's what I bought this. It's a travel digital bag. So that's what I bought with my Secret Santa. It's called Waterproof Electronics Organizer Travel Earphones Cable Accessory Bag. And I bought it in navy blue. Unfortunately, I was not able to charge this phone. I mean, my phone. I could not charge my phone, and I also couldn't charge the, what do you call it, the phone, and I couldn't charge the camera. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Ooh. This is how the bag looks like inside. So you can put, it has small compartments and things. You can put your pen, everything basically. So I'm gonna put my chargers here. I'm gonna put my I can't put camera here. I can't put lenses, but I can put a few things, a few items in here. Right, you see the space here. You can put things like how they put it here. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna put in here. And because my husband is gonna nap, I am going to clean. Once I'm done cleaning, I am going to shower, and then I'm gonna nap. When we wake up, we're gonna wake up, and then we're gonna drive to the Eastern Cape. So yeah, that is my Santa gift. So I don't want to waste too much of Esha on my camera. So I'm gonna quickly put this off camera, and then I will see you guys when I show you how we packed our items in the car. It's a lot of things. Like, it's a lot. I didn't take a bag with me to the Eastern Cape. I am yeah, I don't have a bag with me, so we didn't, because I wanted to minimize space. My husband has a backpack. I'll show you all of that, but for now, I'm glad I've started. I just wanted to start this vlog here, and yeah. The time now is
the next day.
Attack only. Una attack again.
baby. That's what's gonna happen. Good morning. Good morning. It is 17 minutes past 5, and we just passed the third toll gate. Andithi, baby?
Yeah, third one.
Yeah, the copyright. We just passed the third toll gate. As always, sinemithwalo. But funeke excuse me, iphelile lonto yemithwalo sana. Anyways, I just wanted to say good morning. Good morning, my loves. We are traveling to the Eastern Cape, and that is the vlog, okay? So yeah, Tugela stop. Is this the Tugela toll gate that we just passed?
Yes.
Okay. So yes, my loves, we just passed Tugela, and we are going to our last toll gate. Ne? Singapore.
Yeah, 3-4.
Yeah, we are going to our last one. So I will see you again on our last toll gate, and do not forget to subscribe, to like, to comment. Also, if you are interested in membership, please join membership. That is if you want to get exclusive content. And yeah, 70 kilometers to Escott, so that's like 35 minutes, 35 minutes approximately. Yeah, somewhere there. Malin, Ninjani.
Kanjani? Oh, kuwe. Ukuwathi lapha ngayi. Eh?
Average speed 103.
Namakwana kanqasha.
Usumqwalas.
What?
Hey, hi.
Hey, ta.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hola. Hola.
Please subscribe,
Kwapacamol.
like and comment. Please, Bandla. I say, please watch the ads.
Please watch the ants.
We what in?
Yes. Hi my loves, so I am currently at Slengama. We are almost there. The time now is 21 minutes past 2, and the reason we probably would have arrived at home at what time, baby? 12?
That's 11, 12.
Between 11 and 12. The reason why we are late is because we went to buy a few things like grocery for the house, and then I had to buy a few things as well for Loma Mom that I know we're gonna need for tomorrow. So that's the reason why we are only arriving now. So what are we doing here? I'm looking
for something.
So my husband is looking for something in this area.
Someone's husband is looking for something.
Choki-san. Well, he is looking for something. I don't know what exactly he is looking for. So the switch up is crazy, right? My whole wife can never tell me nothing. Me, you saw me in town wearing what? That's probably my twin sister. I'm a married girl. But yeah, the switch up is crazy. But I'm a whole wife now, son and mom. I'm a whole wife now. Okay. Yeah, so I think that I want to, no, let me rather not close it here. I'm gonna close this vlog when we get home. And guys, I didn't even get the chance to show you how we are packed because it was crazy. Like beneath my legs, there are so many things in there. And like it's a lot. For example, that is how we packed. Okay, now it's a little bit messed up because we bought groceries and whatever, but that's almost how it looks like. And then there are shoes there, other things, and I am literally sitting like this. I was wearing this hat the whole time. That's my pillow. There's a lot of things beneath me, but yeah. Let's get home. When we get home, I'm gonna close this vlog. I'm gonna take a bath, and then I am going to rest because I'm not gonna cook today. We are gonna have food that we were having along the way, and in the morning I have to go to my mom. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to I think get up early in the morning, do ipapa, and do ipapa for lunch. My husband is gonna have to prepare something for him and Indi Babala to have. But yeah, The person that does that's gonna do painting, we are gonna paint because you guys saw last year it was horrible. So the person that's gonna do that is only coming on Monday, which gives me time and room to do London Funuyenza. My mom prepare, clean and stuff without pressure. So yeah, I'm gonna close this when we get home. Bye for now. Oh guys, it is so dirty here. The spider web, crazy. It's crazy. Can you see that? There's a spider web. Let's just do it. I need to do this. The thing that I did last year. It's so dirty. Yeah. Look at this. This is my OOTD. This is the dress I was wearing all the way. And then just put on this. Just put on this. It's a mess here. I need to fix all of that. Yeah. And there's no electricity too, so everything is gonna be a bit of a challenge. And yes, my loves, we have arrived. We arrived. We are here. We are here. So I am going to close this vlog right here, and then I'm just gonna tidy up, clean and stuff, like see what I can do. So yeah, we are here. We are back here. So yeah, my loves, thank you so much for watching until this part. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and I shall see you in my next video.